Did you know a routine spy mission almost triggered World War III? January 23, 1968, the USS Pueblo sailed peacefully in international waters off North Korea's coast. Commander Lloyd Butcher and his 83-man crew were conducting standard intelligence gathering. They'd done this dozens of times before. North Korean patrol boats often showed up to harass them, but nothing ever happened. The Americans always stayed in international waters. The North Koreans always backed down. It was completely routine. But this time, North Korean boats suddenly surrounded the Pueblo. Butcher refused to leave international waters. He was confident this was just another bluff. Then North Korea opened fire. One sailor died instantly. The entire crew was captured. It was the first U.S. Navy ship seized in 150 years. President Johnson went ballistic. He ordered nuclear bombers to Korea and considered tactical nuclear strikes. For 11 months, the crew endured torture while the world teetered on the edge of nuclear war. The moment a routine mission nearly ended, civilization was the USS Pueblo incident.